Hello everybody and welcome to this feature. I hope you're all having an awesome day. We're looking at a site in Utopia Planitia and I'll be showing you dozens of megalithic blocks at this site. The high-rise photograph is called Boulder Field in Utopia Planitia. This was acquired on the 22nd of March 2012 at 29.6 centimeters per pixel resolution. I'm showing you images cropped from the JP2 black and white map projected file, just under 600 megabytes in size. And there's a look at the terrain in the low-res black and white. And this photograph is incredibly bright with very little contrast. So I've reduced the brightness a bit and added a bit of contrast to the images I'll be showing you. So the site's located at this position, roughly at 40 degrees 21 minutes north, 77 degrees 38 minutes east. And I featured anomalies or megalithic blocks up at this site towards the north a couple of days ago as well. So this is a really interesting area on Mars with lots of megalithic blocks. So to start off with, use the scale indicator that I've included to give you an idea of the size of these blocks that we'll be looking at. So we're looking at the first one over here, just off center to the left. So we've got 30 meters there. 15, so I would say this one is about 8 by 8 meters in size. And it's astonishing how huge these blocks are. They actually look quite small when you look at the bigger picture. But yeah, these things are huge. Look at the nice shape of this one. It's got sort of like a rounded shape to it. Nice 90-degree angles though, check there. And I don't know what that is on the surface. Looks rather peculiar. Right, let's zoom in on that one over there. This one's more rectangular, about 9 meters in length. 90-degree angles there. And we've seen these megalithic blocks on Mars where the one side has got like a rounded design with a smaller protrusion on top. This is also another interesting phenomenon on Mars. Right, let's check this item out. One of these rectangular blocks. They're nice straight edges and right angles to that one too. Very smooth, flat surfaces to these objects as well. Right, here's a bigger one. Smaller one here to the top right. But also look at the straight edges and right angles to this object. Right, there's a look at the smaller one. Right. Another one of these square blocks. This one's covered in some boulders and sand, partially embedded there in the surface as well. Again, look at the very smooth flat surfaces, uniformity in the thickness and width, nice right angles to the piece as well. Smaller block, a little more eroded or possibly covered in some sand. One of these, a small protrusion or object on its surface. The uniformity in the thickness of this piece. It's sort of like a rounded arc shape to it. Right, another one of these items with a smaller object on the top. It's also one of these right angled pieces and then rounded on the opposite side. But check out that interesting item. Looks almost as if this piece fits in there. Like it's half a flap. That's a jaw. It's very strange. Right, let's check out the block over there. Again, note the uniformity in the thickness and width. And this just continues on and on, folks. Got two blocks, one slightly bigger than the other, sort of lying next to one another. Oh, got very strange pattern on it. Curved. It's almost like machine cut marks. Got strange bevel on this one, and it's more rounded, almost as if it's been molded. Seen so many of these now. Similar in size and shape and thickness as well. There's a long, narrow one. This one's about, let's see, 30, 15. So this is about 12 to 10 meters in length. Uniformity in the thickness and width again. Long narrow piece here as well. Right, we're in Google Earth Mars, zooming up to the northern mid-latitudes to Utopia Planitia. And there's a look at the anomalies just featured for reference. And again, as I said, check out the similarity in size and shape. Let's have a look at the site up to the north. More megalithic blocks and slabs. These look very familiar. And with that said, we've reached the end of this presentation. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care, everybody. I'll see you in the next one soon. Cheers for now.